guys for fun stickers. Is not like simple stickers like it used to be long time when I was starting with careers like with nails business. It's nothing, it's so plain, and in the thicker it looks like how do I say, it's really thick. It's really really thick, like you can't do it like poly, you have to like really punch it down, you know. But then nowadays like so much better. Do you want to see this one in matte? Who's asking for matte top coat earlier? If I miss you. What if it's again I close out the live video by accident? You just join it in? Yeah? No. Okay. Matte top coat? Can I do matte top coat, everyone? You want to see matte top coat? I'm going to do matte, okay? Try it. Haha, no, let's do another nails. Is mean, Debbie? I will do it for you, ladies. I do not mind at all. You give me some food, I can stream whole day with you. From like nails, sticker to chamfer foil. What did I do with this nail? It looks like it's gonna falling apart. Really interesting. It must be this. This must be like that. It's going the other way. I put some crystal on it. It's the other way. It should be the other way. On the other side. I say, wait a minute. Doesn't look like right. Haha, I got it. Ta-da! Right now some crystal. Don't worry, if just in case my live video is out, you're gonna come right back with me. I'm gonna sit here waiting for everyone's. Okay, I'm gonna move this one just a little bit. That's it. You should want this one to be flowers right there. You don't have to, I just be slowly put that in there. Okay, make sure that I am on the screen with all of you. If not, I'm gonna move it right away. Can Instagram seeing it? I'll make sure sometimes my hands move too much and your lady might miss it. Thank you, Foxy. Thank you, super cute bling nails. Oh, I moved something, that's why. Okay. What else do I need? Maybe I shouldn't do anything else. Because I might start covering whole entire that Louis designs. And you're going to tell me, no, Nancy, don't do that. Just leave it alone. So I'm leaving it alone now. get that top crystal on that. Maybe let me see if I can find a black one. So in this case, if you want to put some crystal on this, I'm going to do that. Can you take that off, please? Drop that using my Precision's glue gel. I love this one. And let me see. I don't know, you like it? If not, then you can change any colors when you're doing it, okay? I just put a black one on it. All right, so I'm here. I even can do a black one on this one too. It looks so stunning. But I put Crystal's AV on it. So I'm gonna cure this for 60 seconds. All right, 60 seconds for that nails. Zoe, you love the Louis. I know it's cute. It's just like fun art to design on that. All right, so we have a last nails. What color of fusionings you want to see? This is the tutorial today. Is gonna support like all of nail techs who have like 1 or 2 fusioning, or like some sticker you don't have chamfer foil gels. You can do some sticker, but also there's so many options and so many cute design. You can create it with your fusion ink, and even with one colors you can absolutely rock it with no problems at all. All right, I'm waiting for everyone to give me the last nails. All right, so let me see what I did. I did Honesty, which is this nails. All right. And I did Calming. Next one is number 2. And that's the nails. That next is the nails right there. And Delight, this one is just a chamfer foil. This one I using that just in case earlier. This is